Questions 29-56. Human physiology. 29. The oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin is A. Linear. B. Hyperbolic. C. Sigmoid. D. Parabolic. 30. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Aorta. D. Superior vena cava. 31. The normal pH of human blood is approximately A. 6.8. B. 7.4. C. 8.2. D. 5.5. 32. Which part of the nephron is mainly responsible for selective reabsorption? A. Glomerulus. B. Bowman's capsule. C. Proximal convoluted tubule. D. Collecting duct. 33. The hormone that decreases blood glucose level is A. Glucagon. B. Adrenaline. C. Insulin. D. Cortisol. 34. Which vitamin deficiency causes pernicious anemia? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. 35. The pacemaker of the human heart is A. AV node. B. SA node. C. Bundle of His. D. Purkinje fibers. Digestion nutrition. 36. The largest gland in the human body is A. Pancreas. B. Liver. C. Thyroid. D. Pituitary. 37. Which enzyme converts proteins into peptides in the stomach? A. Trypsin. B. Pepsin. C. Amylase. D. Lipase. 38. Bile juice is stored in the A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Pancreas. D. Duodenum. Nervous system. 39. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature and hunger? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Hypothalamus. D. Cerebrum. 40. The functional unit of the nervous system is A. Nephron. B. Neuron. C. Osteon. D. Sarcomere. 41. The myelin sheath in the peripheral nervous system is formed by A. Astrocytes. B. Schwann cells. C. Microglia. D. Oligodendrocytes. Reproduction. 42. Fertilization in humans generally occurs in the A. Ovary. B. Uterus. C. Ampullary region of fallopian tube. D. Cervix. 43. Human sperm are produced in the A. Epididymis. B. Seminiferous tubules. C. Vas deferens. D. Prostate gland. Genetics. 44. DNA replication takes place during which phase of the cell cycle? A. G phase. B. S phase. C. G phase. D. M phase. 45. The chromosome number in a human somatic cell is A. 23. B. 44. C. 46. D. 48. 46. Which scientist discovered the double helix structure of DNA? A. Mendel. B. Watson and Crick. C. Darwin. D. Morgan. 47. The unit of heredity is A. Chromosome. B. DNA. C. Gene. D. Genome. Evolution. 48 analogous organs are evidence of A. Divergent evolution, B. Convergent evolution, C. Mutation, D. Isolation. 49. Which theory was proposed by Lamarck? A. Natural selection, B. Mutation theory, C. Inheritance of acquired characters, D. Germplasm theory. Biotechnology. 50. Restriction endonucleases cut DNA at A. Random sites, B. Specific recognition sites, C. Ribosomes, D. Telomeres. 51. PCR is mainly used to A. Translate proteins, B. Amplify DNA, C. Digest proteins, D. Produce ATP. Ecology. 52. Which ecosystem has the highest biodiversity? A. Desert, B. Tropical rainforest, C. Tundra, D. Grassland. 53. Ozone depletion is mainly caused by A. CO, B. CFCs, C. Methane, D. Nitrogen. 54. Which of the following is a primary consumer? A. Grass, B. Deer, C. Tiger, D. Eagle. 55. The ecological pyramid that is always upright is A. Pyramid of numbers, B. Pyramid of biomass, C. Pyramid of energy, D. Pyramid of population. 56. Which is an example of an abiotic component of an ecosystem? A. Bacteria, B. Grass, C. Soil, D. Earthworm.